No matter what fruit is in season as you're watching this, you can add them to this delectable light upside down cake. This recipe with a fruity and nutty caramelized topping is versatile and so simple. Personalize it to your own liking with different fruits, nuts, and spices. Welcome back to the channel and let's get started. In a bowl, cream together a 1/4 cup of butter and 1/2 cup of brown sugar and spread evenly at the bottom of a greased 9 by 9 inch square baking dish or an 8-inch angel food cake pan. Sprinkle with chopped walnuts and add the sliced fruits. In a large bowl, prepare the cake mixture by beating together your butter, vanilla, and brown sugar. Add the 2 eggs and mix well. In a separate bowl, combine the flour, baking powder, and salt. Add the dry ingredients to the creamy mixture, alternatively with the milk, and mix until well incorporated. Pour the batter evenly into the pan on top of the fruits. Bake your delicious cake for 40 minutes in a preheated oven of 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Let cool for 15 minutes before inverting onto a serving plate. You can now cut into slices and enjoy with some whipped cream or vanilla ice cream. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and let me know in the comments if you try it. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any easy, delicious recipes. See you soon!